Hey guys, Off Grid with Michigan Prepared here. Today we're out at the hunting trailer. Today we're going to be installing some solar. Got all the solar cables right here. Got a couple 100-watt solar panels in the back seat of the truck. Got another solar panel there. Got some jumper cables. Got a 30 amp MPPT solar charge controller. Got all the wiring, got all the brackets. Got my battery. There's those two solar panels I was talking about. Down under there somewhere is my power inverter. Yes, my truck's a mess right now. I had to clean out my semi and I've been working. So yeah, we'll get all that squared away soon. Anyway, guys, yeah, I got to get solar installed. That way I have some electricity for this winter. I wanted to get my Viver diesel heater installed, but I don't have the flange. It pokes through the wall, the exhaust pipe goes in it, and then you can hook another exhaust pipe once it's through the wall to go out. And actually I need two of those because I need one for the air intake too. I'm going to put the air intake probably down low, the exhaust up high. I don't know yet. I haven't really thought about it, so don't slam me in the comments. Either way, guys, let me get set up and get some stuff rearranged, and I will be right back. Okay, guys, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be drilling through right up here because I'm going to mount a solar panel on this wall on the outside, not today, and then a solar panel on the other wall. So where the hell my drill went? Sorry guys, this camera is going to shake around a little bit because well, you're on a tripod, so apparently I need a new battery. Alright guys, there's my two holes. Let's see. Alright, I'm gonna leave you guys right there real quick. I got my microphone on, so hopefully you guys can hear me. Let's see if you guys can see me poking these wires through. There's one. That actually went through surprisingly easy. There's two. Wow. That went way easier than I expected. Guys, I'm not even going to hold you up. It is literally hot as shit out here today. Right about there seems like a good spot for my solar charge controller. Let's see. Grab that. Box of screws. This thing's hot. I'll show you guys how I'm going to do the battery here in a minute. All right. Have you guys step back a little bit, maybe? All right. So this is going to get mounted right about here. bring you guys back here in just a second. Guys, it is literally hotter than hell in here right now. It's currently 87 degrees outside. And inside this trailer, it's even hotter. Let's see. I'll go here for starters. Ouch. Guess we'll just drop those there. Sorry if the mic's making funny noise, y'all. It's rubbing against my shirt. It is hot, y'all. That's mounted. Now I gotta get these. Oh, sorry, bumped you guys. Let's see. Y'all still in focus? Sorry guys, I am a novice. Don't laugh at me, okay? Let's get you better focus here. Alright, now I gotta run the positive and negative cable. Let's see. I don't know how I want to do this. Yes, guys, I know I'm breathing hard. I apologize. It's freaking hot. Not even going to hold you up one bit on that. So, we're going to make this bad boy probably the negative because this one's a little shorter. Trying to keep you guys in focus here. I can't see my camera while I'm doing this. I know I'm aimed right about here, so this end's a little shorter, so let's see. This little port right here, you guys probably can't see it, is battery positive. I am leaking, y'all. It is hot. Give that a tug. Now for the... Oh no! Might be dead in the water, y'all. I hope that adjuster didn't come out. Oh, thank God. Now, the cool thing about this, y'all, is there's two more ports right here. If you hit this button, once it's all hooked up, you can run accessories. And I do have some lights. We're not installing those here today, but I do have some lights that we're going to do at a later time. Actually, you know what? I think I have one with me. Let me check in my stuff right here. Let me look. Could have swore I just saw one. Sorry, guys. I have a lot of stuff. you guys didn't know, this trailer is also going to double as a bug out location. It can most definitely be used as oh, I do have a light on me. Actually, I have a couple lights on me. Bonus. Anyway, guys, there are these couple little lights. They have switches on them. They used to plug into something, but that's dead. But I can cut these wires, and I can tie the wires together, wire them into this. When I hit that button, they'll be on constantly. Then I can turn them on and off. And believe it or not, these things are bright as hell. So, all right, let me see. All right, let me grab the battery. Hold on, y'all. Oh, that's a big boy. All right, so here's the battery. What did I say? This one's positive. If you all can't see, I'm just hooking up the battery real quick. This one's negative. Make sure those are nice and tight so they don't arc out. Oh, you know what I forgot? Oh, I'm an idiot. I forgot the power inverter. Duh. Anyway, that's what I just did, guys. I hooked up the battery. Let's see if I can zoom out. I'm not a professional by any means, y'all. But I'm doing the best I can with what I have. So if that's going to be where that sits, probably mount this guy like right here. Looks like a good spot for it. Let me get a screw started. Of course, I got the wrong bit. Let's say right about here. Alright. Grab another screw. Actually, I'm going to use some mismatched screws here because those other ones, they got a little unthreaded shoulder, so they will not tighten down completely. So with this here, I'll put a Phil's lips on the other side. This is easier said than done. God gave me a belly for a reason, right? Oh no. You guys, this is way easier said than done. I am sweating so bad. Alright. Do I have any more regular screws? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Excellent. Guys, it's hot. It's so hot. I don't know if you can see me leaking. It's hot. Alright. Let's tighten that one down. Maybe not. Good enough. I'll bring you guys in for a close-up on the solar charge controller in just a second. It's saying my battery is 13.1 volts. Capacitor discharge always scares me. I know I just look like a real wuss right there. Be alright. See. Alright, let's see. Inverter is working. I can also control this with my phone, so we'll slap that over to Bluetooth. But here, I'm going to take you guys out of the holder, show you what it's saying thus far. Shut this off. See that arrow, guys? That's that extra port right here on my solar charge controller. So if you shut that off, the arrow should stop flashing. Let's see how many. I don't know why it's in Celsius. I hate that. I'm going to change that load on. Since I got a lithium ion. 11.5. Battery still saying 13.1. Got it charging to 14.2 volts. I think that's good for lithium ion, guys. Let me know if it's not. Anyway, I'll bring you back in a minute. I'm going to go hook up the solar panels. All right, basically, guys, you guys can see the wires that I have coming out of the thing. These are four-way connectors, meaning this end here plugs into my solar panel cable ends. And then here I can run 4 solar panels. I got a positive side and negative side. You guys see how they're different? Positive and negative. So basically what we're going to do, that's just that easy. That's just that easy. Let me make sure that last one locked. No, it did not. Why it's not locking, I have no idea. There we go. Let me grab the solar panels, guys. Hair is brushing on the mic. This is a used solar panel. I mean, used by me, of course. I've used it for a while, but on the back of these solar panels, guys, You got a couple cables. It's really simple. Plug it into the corresponding unit. Positive. I'm sorry, that was positive. Negative. So with this, I got sticky stuff on me. Forgot about that. These are just going to be propped up for now, guys. Right under that little ridge. Actually, once I close this door, you can see that. Let me see if you can see that. Yeah, you guys can see that. Anyway, I got two more here in the bed of my truck. Let me get those out. These are brand spanking new. It's fine. You can mix them. Ain't gonna hurt nothing. Guys, I'm burning up, so this video ain't gonna last much longer. It is hot. Same thing, guys, if you can see. Let's see, what do we got here? Second one. Bam. Second one. Bam. That's gonna sit here. Holy shit, guys. I am on fire. It is hot. Come on. I don't know why this cover came off. Anyway, cover's back on. Let me cut these zip ties, guys. I'll be right with you. Oh, I got sweat going into my eyes. It's burning. Oh, it is most definitely burning. Oh, I gotta get out of here. Alright, once again, guys, I got my positive, negative leads. Those are gonna go positive. Where the hell's the other one? Negative. Kind of kick those wires up underneath the trailer. Set that there. Get this damn weed out of the way. Now I'll take you guys inside. Throw these boxes in here for a little while. I don't really care. I'm hot. It's time to get out of here. It was a bad idea to come out. I'm freaking burning up. There's my trail cam. All right. Now you guys can see this arrow has solar panel input. Let's see if it's got a reading yet. 1.9 amps. going to charge to 14.2. All right, guys, I'll be back in a minute. All right, guys, I just looked it up. Want setting B3. For lithium batteries. Oh, and I say the charge voltage is also supposed to be 14.6. Oh, it's automatically programmed. Nice. Yeah, 10.5, 24 hours a day. Battery B3, there we go. So that's saying 13.2. Let's see what this says. 77%. Hold on. 13.3 volts, 89%. So it's 1 volt off. Again, there's my Bluetooth switch. See how it says Bluetooth right there? Switches all the way forward. This is the little Bluetooth receiver, but you can manually turn it on. We're just going to leave it off for now. Let's see. It's got to reconfigure inside the brain here. It won't tell me. Anyway, that's just as easy as it is, guys. Drilled a couple holes, ran the wires through for the solar panels to feed the solar charge controller, ran some more wires down to a lithium battery, and also hooked in a power inverter. Guys, it's really that easy. I'll show you the setup real quick before I leave. These are my windows. This is what I'm going to be looking at. There's the pond down there by where that sign is. Right behind the bed of my truck there is my clover field. I'll be able to see deer walking down this path. I have this whole field to shoot into. This is the setup. This is what it looks like when you step back. I'm going to be sitting right here. Eventually, this diesel heater is going to be hooked up. Keep it warm in here in the winter. There's no insulation in the roofing yet. But, yeah, guys. Guy used this as a hunting camper. The guy I bought it off of. He ripped everything out. He left these windows. Thank God he didn't take these and board them up, but whatever. Anyway, y'all, let me get out of here. I don't know if you can tell. I am freaking burning up. See how red my face is? We'll be back. Alright, guys, well, I'm trying to produce better videos, but it doesn't look like that worked out so well. I don't know, you guys let me know what you think. I'll edit it. Well, by the time you're watching this, I will have edited it. Try to make it look better. I know it's choppy, jumping around. If I wasn't so dang hot, y'all, I could have done a way better job. It's 90 degrees out here. And then that trailer is even hotter. Oh my God, y'all. My buddy, Doc Holliday, he gave me an air conditioner. It's just a little guy. It's used. It's worn out. But I need to get that cut into the side of that trailer and installed also, because it's no, y'all, I can't deal with that. I plan on hunting out there early antlerless season, which is September 20th, 21st. But if it's even remotely this warm, I'm going to be stashed out in the bushes somewhere, because I'm not sitting in that trailer. That's asinine. That's hot. It'd probably be about 110 degrees inside that trailer, if not hotter. I don't know, y'all. Anyways. So that's really... Installing solar is really, really easy. The key thing to remember is you just need a solar charge controller. I use an MPPT solar charge controller. There's a different type of solar charge controller out there called the WMA. The WMA solar charge controller is not as efficient, in my opinion, because it sends electrical pulses that be like rah, 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 to charge the battery. No, you don't hear the noise, but I'm just giving you a representation of what it does, and hopefully that wasn't too stupid. But the MPPT solar charge controller, it puts a constant current into your battery until, if it remembers what, until it knows that it reaches its maximum voltage, and then it shuts down. And then when it drains beyond that, from natural drainage or whatever the case may have you, it kicks back on. So I really like the MPPT solar charge controller. That's all I use. And you see how easy it was, guys. It was 4 wires. Well, 4, 6, technically 10 wires, because I had to hook up the 3 solar panels. But it's literally just that easy. Plug and play system. And that battery, if I had to guess, and I'm probably underestimating it a little bit, but with that battery and 300 watts of solar, that would power, with that 2,000 watt power inverter, it would probably power a mini fridge, some lights, a fan, that diesel heater, and probably a couple other little small items. That battery alone would power a mini fridge and like that diesel heater and a fan for probably 4 days straight without needing to be recharged. With the solar panels hooked up, obviously you're going to be drawing off the panels themselves during the day. So like your higher wattage appliances, if you're running solar, you want those running during the day, and then shut them off as soon as the sun starts going down. That way you're just strictly running off a battery and you don't drain it as fast. But guys, it is super simple to hook up a 12-volt solar system for off-grid applications or survival applications or hunting applications, whatever you guys can think of. It's super simple. Not cheap, but super simple. Everything you've seen out there, the battery was $450 at the time I bought it. The solar panels were $79 each, so 80, 81, 60, 240 plus 450. What, that's, we'll say 700. And then the power inverter was another, I think, 200. So we'll say like $900, guys. You can have a small little system. And no, I didn't buy this all at once. I've been piecing it together little by little. This is stuff that I've had, stuff that I've bought over the last 8 years. I didn't just buy this stuff overnight. So you guys can do it. Anyway, I'm going to get off here. I'm going to stop ranting. This video is probably long enough. I got a lot of editing to do, so let me get home, guys. Let me figure some stuff out. But I love y'all. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hopefully it wasn't too bad. I was too hot, guys, or else I would have probably been more in depth. I wouldn't have been rushing. It just, whew, it's hot. Anyway, y'all, I love y'all. Keep your heads on a swivel. Until next time, Off Grid with Michigan Prepared is out.